Hello friends, we're here to review the Adidas Climacool and Climacool Laced. We bought this from JD Sports Mall of Asia, Philippines, priced at 9,500, and it comes with this silver plastic Ziploc wrapper. And as you can see here, look at that. This shoe is really groundbreaking. As you can see, it's 3D printed all the way from the sole to the upper, and has a 3-stripe branding on the side. Also has a 3-stripe branding on the right shoe. It's very comfortable, it's very breathable, but the problem here is really this entry point of the feet. For people who has big ankles and wide feet, you will definitely have a problem putting your feet in. So I really wanted to get this kind of pair, but unfortunately I can't really fit my ankles inside without really hurting it. So good thing Adidas listened and came up with the laced ones, where, as described, it comes with these laces for a much better entry point on your feet. Good thing about this shoe is it's not attached to the 3D printing or the upper. The tongue comes out separate. It only holds on by its shoelaces. So if you remove shoelaces, you can easily remove the tongue. It has its own branding also, the 3-stripe branding here. It's very nice. Reminds me of a Yeezy shoe, the Azael, if I'm not mistaken. Same look and same feel, but it's more big guy friendly, big feet and wide ankle or big feet friendly for people like me. So I hope you like the review. So go get it from adidas.com, but I suggest you go a size higher. The sizes are all in the half sizes, like in 10 and a half, 11 and a half. Doesn't have an exact size. So the smallest size is a 7.5. It's a good thing my wife was able to fit it and tried it on, because her size is a size 7 normally in the women's, but since it's run small and snug, a size 8.5 or 7.5 men's was just enough for her feet. And I'm a size 10.5 myself, so I got an 11.5, and still okay on my feet since it's very snug. So I suggest you try it on first. Go to JD Sports or any Adidas store. Make sure to try it on, and since it's a little bit pricey, if I wasn't able to try it on and just bought it from Adidas, I would have gotten a wrong size and just wasted money. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe. Chorizo hands, and continue to support the channel. We're still a growing channel. If you like toy reviews, if you like sneaker reviews, this channel is for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.